Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are going to look at how to draw directly inside Google Docs. If you need to add custom shapes, signatures, or freehand sketches to your files, this built-in tool makes it incredibly easy. First, open the Google document where you want to place your drawing. Navigate to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing and click on New. A transparent drawing canvas will open on your screen. Look at the toolbar across the top of this canvas. If you want to draw freehand, click the small drop-down arrow next to the line tool and select Scribble. Now you can simply click and drag your mouse to draw whatever you need. You also have dedicated tools to insert predefined shapes, arrows, callouts, and text boxes. You can customize your drawing further by changing the line color, line weight, and fill color using the formatting options on the same toolbar. Once your drawing is complete, click the blue Save and Close button located in the top right corner of the window. Your artwork will immediately appear in your document. If you ever need to make changes, just double-click the image and the drawing canvas will reopen, allowing you to easily adjust your work. That is all there is to it. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Subscribe to the channel for more fast and practical tutorials.